Have you heard about the brand new business opportunity that's exploding on the internet right now? It's all over TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. Hi, my name is Derek, and I've been in the online space for about 2 years now. Ever since the pandemic hit, I have watched countless moms and dads hit record-breaking numbers by selling this course that has Master Resale Rights attached to it or with it. So naturally, I was skeptical and I had to see what this was all about. So I did some digging, and lo and behold, there are a lot of people making a lot of money with this. Not to mention, you can now make Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok reels or videos with the click of a button, 7-second videos with your phone, and you can now basically broadcast yourself to hundreds, if not thousands, maybe even millions of people. And I've watched this over and over and over again. So it's basically free advertising. So what is Master Resale Rights? From what I understand, I'm not an attorney, but from what I understand, it's basically when you buy the product, whatever product it may be, you now own it, and you now have the right to turn around and sell it as your own. The great thing about that is that you can sell it for 100% profit. Matter of fact, you can sell it for as much as you would like, as long as you don't go below the minimum requirement. So the difference between that and affiliate marketing, you only get a small percentage of the sale when you're doing affiliate marketing. With Master Resale Rights, when you invest into yourself and you resell it, you now get 100% profit. So to make a long story short, I ended up investing into myself, and I purchased what they call the Learn and Earn Profits Online with Master Resale Rights. So in other words, I can turn around and I can sell the course for 100% profit over and over and over again. So you buy it once, and I didn't even create the course. I can continue to sell it over and over and over again for 100% profit. So let's just say you're not a good salesman. Fine, I get it. Me either. You're a normal guy or girl, and you want to learn some skills. Maybe you want to do some digital marketing. Maybe you want to create a faceless brand, and you just want to learn how to drive traffic. You want to put together a web page, a sales page, a funnel, an email sequence. Guess what? This course will teach you just that. All right, so you can go ahead and you can purchase the Learn and Earn Master Resale Rights course. All right, and even if you didn't resell it, you are going to learn tons of awesome skills inside this course. They're going to give you a basic rundown from the ground up on how to do digital marketing, and they're going to walk you through the process step by step, click by click, and help you build a fully functional e-commerce website. I mean, how cool is that? I know for me, I've been wanting to do this for a long time. As a matter of fact, I tried to start a website years ago, and it was super duper expensive, and I had no idea what I was doing. And I basically just flushed money down the toilet. This course, not only it teaches you everything from the ground up, but it comes with a free community, a thriving community that's growing exponentially, by the way, at a record rate. So if you get into any trouble, you have any questions, there are tons of people there to help you out. So if you're a complete beginner, you get a step-by-step, click-by-click walkthrough. Basically, they're holding your hand and they're telling you exactly how to build this website and exactly what needs to be done to take you from the ground level, absolutely nothing, to a fully functioning e-commerce website. The best part is they are going to teach you or show you exactly how to automate your business. They will walk you through step by step on how to get everything almost fully automated. All right, so I want to say about 80 to 90% of the process is going to be completely automated. The emails, the the checkout page. Everything is you're going to put it in place once, and then you can continue to drive traffic to it over and over and over again. 90% of this business is going to be automated using free software. Your job is basically to drive traffic to your funnel. That's it. That's all you got to do. If you're anything like me, sick and tired of sitting back watching everyone else take advantage of this unique opportunity, now is the time. Check out the description below, click the link, and you can import my fully functional, high-converting sales funnel directly into your account today. You'll be up and running in no time. Like it, love it, or hate it, or anywhere in between, it's here to stay. If you have any questions, just let me know. I'll be happy to help.